In a video published yesterday on our Facebook, YouTube, and website, we actually had explained how we are going to trade GBP USD. So here we are on the same screenshot again, and plan was very simple to take sell position. So the very first sell position was already taken here, and we were targeting somewhere in the middle of the channel. So if you're looking in the right side, this is where the first position was taken, and this was the target. So we were ready for another two positions, as it was already told yesterday in the video, which was made in language Hindi. However, today I'm going to discuss how we're going to trade this further, and what are our plans, and how many positions we have already taken. So like it was already planned that we will take maximum 3 positions, we have already taken 2 positions today. And I will take you to the this page where we had where it was discussed that what was the result of the fundamental data coming from UK and the US. So overall result of all the data from the UK was negative, and overall result of all the data coming from the US was overall it was positive after comparing everything. And then it was told yesterday that there is no data until upcoming Thursday, which is approximately gonna be released 6 days later. So GDP and CPI, GDP from the UK and CPI from the US is gonna be released on Thursday. We still have 6 days to GDP and CPI. So now let's talk about what's our plan. So yes, I will use this crosshair and tell you that this is where first sell position was taken, and today this is approximately where the second sell position has already been taken, because this was the previous resistance if we simply talk about the horizontal resistance. However, this is just a minor resistance. The major resistance, as discussed yesterday, is 2305. This level, yes, this is the horizontal line talking about the major resistance. The reason behind this was yesterday explained that this 23053, this line is actually drawn at the bottom of the previous swing low. So previous swing low, which was initially the support, is now going to act as the resistance. So third position will be taken if price will go to 2305, and it will start returning from there. Otherwise, if the daily candle will close about 2305, we are going to take losses in all the 3 positions and we'll exit. So this is the plan. And if we talk about today's NFP came positive, which pushed the GBP USD initially lower. However, it didn't go to the midpoint of the channel, which is why we couldn't reach our target. That's why we held on to the first position, then we opened second position, and let's see what's going to happen. And now the TP is going to change, because this channel has been invalidated, and now we probably can get another parallel channel like yesterday discussed in the Hindi video. So for example, it was told yesterday that the price can just slow down and can make another parallel channel. For example, here price was moving like this, and then it came a little down and made another channel. That is why a similar phenomenon can occur even here if fundamentals are not going to change. So of course, having seen all the data this week, including today's NFP, the fundamental is in favor of the rise of US dollar, and that is why even if it is now trading above this channel, there is a high chance that there will be another down moving channel like this, or price even can return back in this channel, nobody knows. But if we are going just on a safer side, we will simply keep our TP at the nearest possible support area, and we'll exit with whatever profit we make here. So this is some sort of flexible plan where risk and reward in every trade is not equal to each other, or reward is not always greater, but these kind of trade setups always are successful in more than 80% cases, which is why even if you lose 20% of times, that doesn't harm you. So all right, let's go back what we are doing here. So if price is returning back from here, we already have seen that there is a bearish movement on this time frame. And if we talk about these 3 candles, I'm talking about these 3 candles, these 3. So in the upper right corner, look here, these 3 candles are making some sort of evening doji star, and it was pretty strong candle if you look at this one. So yes, I'm talking about these three candles. Here we go, the crosshair. So it's already looking like this can move the price to the downside, and the nearest target will be this upper line of the channel. So this is also dynamic because as price is coming down, the line is also going down. For example, right now, if price is going to come in the very next 4 hour, then the target will be something around 21.6 at 2. So we will be making just a few pips in our first position. That will be approximately 19.5 pips, and we're going to make something around 76.3 pips in the second position. So we are going to get something around 75 plus 15, that is 90 pips as a result of these two positions. But if price will be slow on Monday and market will gradually come down, there is a chance that we can gradually touch this line something around here, and we'll be making slightly more pips. So this will be totally dynamic TP. Our plan of exit in case of loss is also dynamic, which is going to happen only if the daily candle will close above this resistance line, the major resistance line, and it has to be done by a significant sized candle. And what is a significant sized candle was already explained in initial 3-4 videos when we have taught about what is a candle and how a candle is used to justify a breakout or a fake out. So to justify this successful breakout to the upside, the daily candle has to be significantly big, and how big should be determined by the average true range indicator, and it was explained in that video, which I'm not going to explain right now because it will make this video really lengthy. So let's just come to our plan here. We have 2 positions, 3 positions will be concluding the plan. I'm concluding everything. So fundamental economic data are in favor of rise of US dollar. That's why there is a high probability of further downward continuation, and GBP USD probably will move in another downward channel like this, or probably can return inside it, but we're going to exit at the very upper line of previous channel. So we'll exit wherever price will touch. So this is the plan. And in case price will go and close above this high with the justifiable candle size of daily time frame, then we'll take the losses in all the 3 positions, and then we'll exit. And we do not know yet that we're going to take the 3 position or not, because 3rd position is still has still not been taken. If price will get an upside in such a manner that there will be no sign of returning back from this area, there will be no 3rd position, and then we'll have to simply take the loss from the 2 positions which we have already taken. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching.